Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Today I am on this construction site and I will show you some big mistakes especially for steel structure design in this RCC slab. Remember guys, before casting of concrete and slab you should fix the big mistakes if the mistake is anywhere. If mistakes are present in beam, column or slab, but the mistake should be fixed before casting of concrete and slab. So let's start guys. As you can see, we have main bars and distribution bars which dia is 12 millimeter with the spacing of 6 by 6 inches. But I recommend you guys the main bar dia should be maximum compared to the distribution bar. If the dia is same, so no problem. But the distribution bar transfer the load to the main bar. So therefore, if the main bar dia is maximum, so it will be good for construction. Okay. Now guys, you can see this is support. Okay, as you can see guys, this is RCC column and this is the beam. So lapping length is being provided at the end of the support guys. So this is a big mistake. So the lapping length should not be provided at the end of the support, because at the end of the support we have more shear stresses, right? So now here is a question: if we cannot use lapping length at the end of the support in RCC slab, so where we can provide? Guys, the lapping length should be provided with L by 4 distance. Total length or total span divided by 4. So on that distance you can provide the lapping length. Otherwise, lapping length should be also not provided at the mid. But in one case, we can provide it lapping length at the mid when you are using lapping length in beam for top bars, top reinforcement bars. But at the bottom, the main reinforcement means tension member or the tension steel bars lapping length should be provided with L by 4 distance and beam also in slab. But the top portion lapping length should be provided at the mid. Okay, remember this point. But the main bars means the tension members, okay, those steel bars should be overlapped with L by 4 distance, or from L by 3 to L by 5 distance you can provide lapping length. Now guys, you can see this is a big mistake, that lapping length is being provided at the end of the support. Okay, so the second one is here, as you can see the joint. Okay, so this is the joint. On this joint you should provide the plaster tape because it can make bleeding. Okay, so therefore the plastering should be the plaster should be provided on the joint of the shuttering. As you can see guys, they didn't provide. One other point guys, you cannot see any concrete cover here. Okay, so the main bar is directly placed on the shuttering, so you cannot see any concrete cover. This is the other mistake. Okay, so guys, if you don't have the concrete cover, so the steel will be open, okay, from underside of the slab. Now guys, you can see I have also some more mistakes. Look here, you can see guys the spacing, some 6 inches, some 5 inches. Okay, so it should be equal, 6 by 6 inches the spacing. Now guys, you can see this is the beam also. Now I will discuss its stirrups. So the hooks are bent with 90 degrees, so the hooks should be bent with 135 degree guys. Look here, the hooks are bended with 90 degree. And look here guys, you can see also its spacing. So the spacing is near with support, the spacing should be minimum, but at the mid the spacing should be maximum. Okay guys, so you can see here this is about 9 inches or 10 inches, and here near its support it should be minimum. But guys, you can see this is not equal. Look here, sometimes 6 inches, 7 inches, 8 inches. Look here, 9 inches. So but at the mid it should be maximum, but it should be equal also. Now guys, you can see also, look here, this is the joint, so they use the mud, and also this is open. Concrete cover is not provided, shuttering is open, it can provide more bleeding during casting of concrete. So everything is guys wrong. So I recommend you look here also. very poor construction of the shuttering, also reinforcement details, anything. It's wrong, guys. I recommend you, if you want to do a best work, so the supervision should be also good, as you can see, guys. So this is a video for big mistakes in RCC slab. Before casting of concrete, you should fix these problems, then start the concrete. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.